my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands, pumping up some hand sanitizer. Today we are going to be talking about the law of attraction and manifestation. These are like my two favorite topics that I've literally dove into since this year has started. I'm about to spill some secrets, honey. We're going to make some peppermint tea, and then we're going to go take our butts upstairs and sit in our YouTube chair and chit chat about some manifestation and the law of attraction. Okay? Alright guys, tea's done. Now let's go and talk. Isn't my cup so cute? Sipping on some sunshine, because I'm your sunshine. But wait, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button. I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. All done? Thank you. Okay, so now that you're one of my honeys, I want you to take a nice deep breath. And I want you to wiggle out all the negativity inside of your body. Let it come out of your cute little fingertips. Just wiggle it out. Because we can't have a conversation about manifestation and the law of attraction with just negativity sitting on our shoulders. This is a channel of positive vibes only. So that's all we got here. The law of attraction, you guys, is so powerful. Manifestation is so powerful. But you know what makes it even more powerful? Us. Our ability to believe that we are going to achieve something, that we are going to get something, is what makes it come into our lives. So if you're a person who walks around saying, I believe I'm the baddest bitty up in this building. Damn! Or I believe that I am the smartest person in my classroom. Or I believe that I'm gonna find the love of my life. You're already halfway there. If you truly believe the statements that are coming out of your mouth, you're giving that goal the power to manifest in your life. But you have to believe it. You just can't run around saying things like that and not having the power behind it. You actually have to have the positive energy that it is gonna happen when it's meant to happen. That is how this works. So now let's just dive into the 4 ways that you can manifest anything you want into your little beautiful life. So number 1, morning affirmations. Starting your morning off the right way is the key to a happy life, period. So if you wake up and you say, today I'm gonna manifest anything and everything that I want into my life. If you start with that mindset in the morning, that whole day you're just gonna remember, like, I can get that. I can achieve that. That's a piece of cake. My morning affirmation, and I'm gonna share it with you, but don't go stealing it now. I mean, you could borrow it if you want. Every morning I wake up and I say out loud, like if I'm talking to someone, today I am grateful, I am blessed, I am going to manifest everything that I want into my life today, and I'm going to make someone smile. I know. She's a cute phrase, right? She's cute. But that's what I do to start my mornings, because I want to start it right. I want to attract energy that is worth being in my life, that is going to manifest all the things that I set in that morning affirmation. Remember, you're a magnet. So the energy that you put out into the world is what you're going to get back. So morning affirmations and morning intentions are life-changing. If you stay dedicated to doing it every morning, you're gonna see a difference in your mindset. Blessings are coming your way more. Like, things are gonna start changing and you're gonna see it. But negative Nancy's don't get those opportunities. So you have to be positive, and you just have to wake up, be thankful for where you are, and know that whatever's meant for you is coming. Which leads us into number 2. Number 2. Whatever you want out of life is already waiting for you. You heard me right. It's already waiting for you out there, honey. Have you ever caught yourself asking for things that you want? Let's say a new job, new friends, a new boo, a new life to move. If you find yourself asking yourself those things, most likely everything that you're asking for is already waiting for you. What is meant to take place in your life is waiting for you to invest the belief, the positive energy it takes to make it real, to make it happen in front of your eyes. Do you get me? Did I lose you? I hope not. Believe it in your heart. Just repeating a phrase that, let's say, I want to find the love of my life. I want to find the love of my life. I want to find the love of my life. If you just keep saying that in your head, nothing's really going to take place. But if you switch it and say, I believe I'm going to find the love of my life. I know that he's out there. If you replace the want and the need statements with I know and I believe, those are already more like solidified statements. Those are words that show that you're positive that it's gonna take place. Like you are, for sure, you are positive that it's gonna happen. Those words are gonna make a huge difference. You might be like, okay, well, if it's waiting for me, then where is it, Ariel? Like what is, like I'm waiting. You have to put in the work, just like anything else. Doing things like making vision boards, journaling, writing it out, seeing it. But if I keep putting out that energy that I cannot wait until I find the man of my dreams, or I cannot wait until I have that beautiful house that I've always dreamed of, it's gonna happen. Because guess what? Like I said, it's already waiting for you. You just have to put in the work. Think of it as like a gremlin, right? What happens if you didn't feed the gremlin? Did you guys watch that movie from the 90s or the 80s? I don't even know. If you didn't feed the gremlins, what happened? They would go psycho and eat people and kill things, right? Now, if you fed the gremlin was chill, relaxed, you know. Where am I going with this? Forget it. I don't even know where that gremlin thing came from. Number 3. Be careful where you put your energy towards. I cannot stress this enough. Negativity is gonna get you negativity. Positivity is gonna get you blessings. And I mean that. So I want you to ask yourself something, okay? And don't lie to me, because I can sense it through the camera. I'll know if you're lying to me. Okay, so don't even try. Do you catch yourself saying things like, I'll never get my dream job. I'll never find the love of my life. I'll never get that hot ass car. If so, guess what you're doing? Guess. I want you to guess. Guess what you're doing? You're allowing negativity to come and squash your dreams. You're allowing all this negative energy to pile up on top of the goal that you do want to achieve. So by talking negatively about it, you're not gonna get anywhere. You have to speak positive on that subject, okay? I'll never get the car. I'll never find the love of my life. I'll never graduate. That's gonna manifest into the world. You're not gonna find the love of your life if you speak about it like that. You're not gonna get your dream car, your dream job if you keep talking about it in a negative way. Like I said, if you're talking negatively about the things that you want out of life, you're not gonna get them. But if you do a switcheroo and start saying, I can't wait to meet the love of my life, or the love of my life is gonna have black hair, brown eyes, 6'5", Latino, whatever. Speak good on it, not badly on it. Because whatever you put out is what you get back. And I know your mama taught you that when it came to respect. If you want people to respect you, you gotta respect them, right? You can't expect the good to come from the bad. So speaking on it this way is only allowing it to block the blessings that you want. And I forgot where I read this, but someone who is very successful, I remember, because when I read the quote, I was like, whoa. It said, really simple, live the as if life.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my...
Life-changing, right? Live it as if it's happening right now. Talk about it like it's happening right now. By living the as if life, guess what? You're gonna eventually have that life. There's no way around it. If you pretend, it's gonna happen. You deserve it. You deserve to have what's meant for you. When I start doubting myself because what I'm manifesting isn't like happening fast enough, I kind of catch myself and I'm like, you know what? No, it's coming. It's just, you know, I gotta put a little more work into it. I'll do my vision boards. I'll do journaling. Things like that. It's just putting a little bit more oomph into your work. That's all. And I promise you that if you just switch your outlook on life and switch your energy to positive only, it's over. It's a wrap. Your life is gonna change in 2 seconds, promise. And if I'm wrong, then I ain't wrong, so it don't even matter. I'm right, because I lived it and I'm a living example of it. Number 4, believe what you are manifesting. Now, this is a really quick and straight to the point. Like there's not much that I can really expand on this, If you truly, truly, truly want to manifest something into your life, you have to believe it with all your heart. You can't just say, I believe I'm gonna be famous one day, and like, no, that's not how that works. You have to believe and visualize yourself in the position that you're manifesting. If you're not believing in it with all your heart, that's an empty manifestation. It has no power. You gotta feed it a little something something so it can start thriving. If you don't feed it what it needs, it's gonna die. Just like us, we need to be fed. If not, we'll perish away. I'm just gonna put it as simple as this. Mind over matter, honey. Mind over matter. Your mind has the power of all to conquer all. Anything that you put your mind to is going to happen. Seeing something that you want in your life takes a lot of believing. It's magic. Manifestation and the law of attraction is a very mild form of magic that takes place in our everyday lives. Do what you gotta do. Believe, work on it, pray on it, do whatever you can to make it happen. Get what you want out of life. It's coming for you. It's coming, and I'm so excited for you. I love manifestation. I love the law of attraction because it gives us all what we deserve. And once you start manifesting and you start seeing those blessings drop, guys, it's a whole new outlook. You're gonna be so much more grateful for your life and grateful for the opportunities you're given. It's no joke. Manifestation, the law of attraction, they ain't playing. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope I helped you out with these 4 tips on how to manifest anything and everything you want into your life. Remember, you have the power. Cover your power with positivity. Release all that negativity. If you have to do that deep breath and wiggle it out of your fingers exercise, and just keep on doing it. And make sure you do your morning affirmations and set your morning intentions, and it's all gonna be up from here. I promise you. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with more amazing videos, my little honeys. Thank you. Bye.